Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I am presenting you most loved Kolkata style jhalmuri. So yes, if you want to know how to make the perfect jhalmuri, then please keep on watching. Also, if you haven't subscribed till now, please subscribe my channel. It would mean a world to me. Now let's get on to the ingredients. Here are all the ingredients and please note it down. So first I am heating up a pan into which I am adding the muri, and I'm just gonna be roasting it for 2 to 3 minutes, and it will ensure that our muri is really crisp. If it has gotten soggy, then you can definitely do this step. So straight away roast it for 2 to 3 minutes in a low flame. Do not burn, just keep on stirring it. So I have taken out the muri in a plate and I will now cool it completely. Now I have transferred the muri into a big bowl. Into that I am adding potatoes, cup of onion, few green chilies, and it is a mixture which is 1 cup, and these are roasted peanuts, 1/4 cup. Then I'm adding the chaat masala, 1 tablespoon. Along with that I am adding roasted cumin powder, 1 teaspoon. Then here goes the black salt as per the taste. And here I have some dehydrated curry leaves which I am just crushing between my palms and adding. Then here I have 3 to 4 tablespoons of mustard oil. Use mustard oil, it gives a fantastic flavor. And then I'm mixing it thoroughly so that all the ingredients get mixed really well. And here I've mixed all this, and I totally forgot about adding the lemon juice. So here I'm gonna add the lemon juice for the tangy flavor. You can also add tomatoes if you want to, but I am skipping tomatoes right now because I don't have it. And you can also add freshly chopped coriander leaves. That would be so much great, but again I'm not having it, so I'm skipping that also. So lemon juice is on, and now I am stirring it. And yes, now it is absolutely ready. For serving, I made these paper cones for the feel of jhalmuri, and I'm just filling it to the top, and it is ready to serve. Hope you guys like this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you learned something new from this video, and also subscribe my channel. Till then, I'll see you soon. Bye bye.